Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect Hamster Combat with your Binance wallet. First of all, you have to open your Binance and tap on right bottom by wallet icon. After that, from here you have to click on deposit crypto. When you click on deposit icon, now here you have to search Hamster Combat in the search bar. When you search Hamster Combat, here you have to click on Hamster icon. Here you can see you have to click on Hamster Combat. After that, here you have to click on Tron Coin. After that, from here you have to click on OK. Now what you need to do, you need to open your Telegram Hamster Combat bot, and here you have to click on play button at the left bottom. After that, you have to click on right bottom airdrop icon. Here you can see you have to click on airdrop button at the right bottom. When you click on here, you have to click on Binance logo. Here you can see. After that, you have to click on yes I have. Now here you have to paste the address of your Hamster Combat. Click on this copy, and here you have to paste the address of your Hamster Combat. Now here you have to go to again Binance and click on memo and copy this memo code. Now here you have to now go to again your Hamster Combat, and here you have to paste memo code. After that, you have to click on save and changes. Now here you can see our Binance wallet has been connected with Hamster Combat. In this way you can connect your Binance with Hamster Combat. Thanks for watching this video.